Hey guys, hey girls, hey boys. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this glitter zipper look. So honestly, this look again is super easy, but it is pretty messy, like my area right now. Whew, girl. And getting this off, girl. I feel like I'm eating glitter right now. If you would like to learn how to get this look, I suggest you keep on watching. But before we start this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also turn on the post notification bell so you get notified every single time that I post. And without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Hi. Oh baby. So my sister was watching her while I was like filming and she was getting ready and stuff, but she had to go to work, so I literally have to hold her or else she'll just like cry and like scream if she's by herself. So look, she's falling asleep. You're gonna be seeing me filming, basically holding her the whole time. We just got her yesterday. She's 2 months old and look at how small she is. So fun fact, the outfit she's wearing, it's Christmas and it's a Christmas sock. She literally does not fit in anything, so I just took one of the fuzzy socks, we cut it and made it into a little shirt because she's so tiny, so she's always gonna be cold. So I had to give her some outfit. But isn't she so cute? Named her Baby because she's a little baby. So this is pretty much the face. I'm just gonna clean up this translucent powder. And this wig is everywhere. Like honestly, I did not want to do my hair today, so like I'm putting this wig on. So it's just kind of messing up. This bobby pin, I'm just trying to hold everything back. So yeah, this is the face for now. Just basic, usual face. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lashes and we'll start with the zipper when I come back, okay? So now we're going to apply this zipper. I just ordered it off of Amazon and it came in a set like so. You can probably get this at your local like Halloween store and stuff. But I don't know if I have to cut this or if I could just put it in the wig. Like this. Ooh, it's gonna look so cool. I don't even know how this works. So it comes with spirit gum and spirit gum remover. So this is the spirit gum. Damn it, I don't know how to do Halloween stuff, you guys. Can somebody come help me? So I'm going to cut off the edges like so. I'm gonna glue it right here, and then you want to make sure that these come all the way down because you don't want to see it like in the middle like this because it'll just look weird. So make sure it goes all the way down. So I'm gonna take the paintbrush and apply the spirit gum. Ooh, that does not smell good at all. Is this safe for my face? Not staying down. I already knew this was gonna be a pain to put on because I don't know, I just feel like these things, it's metal, like how are you gonna make it stick to your face? We changed her outfit. We put a new Ariel sock on. All I gotta say is this spirit gum smells so bad. Like, it smells toxic. So now that we have the zipper on again, baby's back. I'm debating if I want to do gold or like an iridescent glitter, but I think the iridescent will go better since it's a silver zipper. So yeah, we're gonna do silver iridescent. So here I have my Too Faced glitter glue, but honestly I feel like I should use the spirit gum, but I don't want to like ruin it, you know. So I'm gonna start off with the Too Faced glitter glue and then use my, what brush is this? My ColourPop F16 brush to apply the glitter on top and pretty much just go ham with the glitter all over. So this is the finished glitter zipper look. My lips are still drying, so I have to like, I feel like, I don't even know. So that is all for today's Halloween zipper look, Halloween tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below what you would like to see in the future. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my Angels channel, which is M&A Forever Ever. Stay blooming, stay spooky, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
We dancing.